alaikum and welcome to Ramadan Values, Stories of Virtue. Today, we share the story of the companions' cooperations while building the Prophet's mosque. When the Prophet ﷺ arrived in Madinah, he began building the mosque alongside his companions, carrying bricks and stones himself. The Prophet ﷺ said, "A believer to another believer is like a building whose parts support each other." This story teaches us that cooperation is a foundation of strong communities. Ramadan Mubarak, and see you tomorrow in another inspiring episode.